Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick tips on how to add a new data destination to your Dataflow Gen2 environment. Many of you are probably familiar on using the option on your bottom right corner of the Power Query environment in Dataflow. You can use that to add new destination. However, do you know you have two other options to do so? Right at the top or top center, you can use that to select your destination. Right at the bottom, right here, bottom center or bottom left, you can also use that to add destination simply by clicking on it and selecting your destination. I'll ignore the bind selector query. I'll skip the binding. You see what happens there. That destination has been added, and if I come here and select that, it will automatically be added to that destination. So that's a quick tips. 3 ways you can add new data destination within your Dataflow Gen2 environment. If you want to remove it, if in case you want to remove the destination, you can also come here and remove the default destination, and it simply by clicking on that, and that goes away. I hope you find this video helpful or simple tips helpful. And if you like it, click on the like button or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in my next video.